First, let's talk about how uploading just 5 photos can earn you $14. That's a significant amount, isn't it? Give you some context, $14. For 10 photos, it's $279. Why is it paying so much? The answer lies in the platform we are exploring today. Watch closely as we walk through the entire process step by step. Next, the website we're using is called Images Bazaar, owned by Sandeep Maheshwari. Here you can select images and write anything like Diwali in the search bar to get festive photos. The key here is to upload your original photos to earn real money. Let's learn how to create, upload and get approval for these photos in detail. First, visit the website. Write I am or I am and hit enter. This will take you to the site where you will scroll down to join as a contributor. Click on it. Choose sign up as a contributor and create your account by entering details like your name, email, password and location. Once done, you are ready to upload photos. Now, let's create a photo. Instead of using AI tools like Nardo AI or Edigram, which often get rejected, we'll use reliable websites. Start by searching for free photos of festivals like Diwali. Choose a professional looking photo and download it. Convert the image to PNG format using tools like Cloud Convert. Upload your image, convert it to PNG and download the converted file. Next, enhance the photo. Open it in an editor and adjust settings like brightness, exposure, contrast and saturation. Save the edited photo in PNG format. This step ensures the image meets quality standards for approval. Now, visit ChatGPT, upload the photo and write a humanized prompt describing the image. Use tools like Quillbot to check and improve the prompt human-generated score. Once the photo and prompt are ready, head to a trusted AI image generator like FreePeak AI, paste your humanized prompt, log in and generate the image. Ensure the faces in the photo are clear and realistic. Download at least 5 images, enhance their quality to 4K and increase their file size using resizing tools. Finally, upload the photos to the website. Add titles, tags and descriptions related to the image's theme, like Diwali celebration. Complete your profile by uploading a profile picture and filling in details. Once your photos are reviewed and approved, they'll be live, ready to earn you money. To verify the platform's credibility, use tools like Scam Advisor to check its trust score. This website has a 100/100 trust rating, ensuring it's safe and legitimate. With this knowledge, you can confidently upload your photos, start earning, and make the most of this opportunity. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. See you in the next video.